After mapanood sina KD Estrada at Alexa Ilacad sa una nilang teleserye na Pira-Pirasong Paraiso at sa kanilang first short film na Toscoin, ay sasabak naman sila sa kanilang kauna-unang face-to-face concert. Add to Heart KD Lex Concert ang magiging title nito na magaganap sa May 31 sa Music Museum. Sa panayam ni Daniel Krishnan sa KD Lex Love Team ay ibinahagi nila ang kanilang nararamdaman sa upcoming concert nila. Pag-amin ni KD, I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but we are happy because these fans mean the world to us. And just being more intimate with this is gonna be really nice. Kung si KD ay kinakabahan, excited naman ang nararamdaman ng kanyang kalab team. I am very excited, I'm so pumped. They have been wishing for this for a long time. They have been praying for us because we've been dubbed as the hottest musical fair. So finally, we have a concert. Sabi ni Alexa. Umaasa ang fans na masosold out agad ang tickets dahil naging big hit ang kanang virtual fancam noong 2022. Ngayon pa lang nga ay nagre-request ng mga KD Lex fans ng repeat ng concert dahil maliit nga ang venue nito. Viral sa social media ang isang TikTok video na makikita ang actress na si Liza Soberano na nagmamaneo ng isang luxury car sa ibang bansa. Na-interview kasi siya ng American internet personality na si Daniel McDonald o mas kilala bilang si Daniel Mac. Para sa mga hindi aware, si Daniel ay sikat na social media na on the spot na nilalapitan ng ilang luxury car owners at ang madalas niyang bungad na tanong, "What do you do for a living?" Ang kanyang interaction sa kalsada ay ibinabandera niya sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok at Instagram. Anyway, natsimpuan nga ng social media star si Liza na nagmamaneo ng BMW 18 na may halagang $150,000 o mahigit 8.5 million. Ang caption pa ni Daniel sa video, casually meeting the largest Filipino actress. Mapapanood sa video ang pambungad niyang tanong, "What do you do for a living?" Sagot ni Liza, "Oh, I'm an actress." Tila hindi pamilyar si Daniel sa kanya kaya inusisa pa niya ang actress. Actress like in movies? Yeah, but a lot of my works are in the Philippines. So you probably don't recognize me, paliwanag naman ni Liza sa kanya. Follow-up question naman ng TikToker, do you have any life advice for people who are trying to get into acting? Tugon sa kanya ng actress, just be true to yourself and take risk.
Yo, excuse me. Hi, what do you do for a living? Your car's awesome.
Oh, I'm an actress.
Actress?
Yeah.
Like in movies?
Yeah, but a lot of my work's in the Philippines, so you probably don't recognize
Oh,
me.
wait, are you from Manila?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
from Manila.
I feel like my followers have told me to do a video. Are you like that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. Do you have any life advice for people trying to get into like acting?
Just be true to yourself.
Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.